like a pen, I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this.